ROI, or return on investment, is the ultimate scorecard in business, as it tells you exactly how well your money's working for you. Good ROI numbers can attract further investments, increase stakeholder confidence, and essentially steer projects and businesses towards long-term sustainability and growth. It's calculated by taking the net profit of an investment, dividing it by the cost of the investment, and then multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. Simply put, the higher the ROI, the better your decision-making process in investing cash into profitable opportunities. What counts as a good ROI? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here because it depends on the industry and the risk tolerance. But as a general rule of thumb, in business, especially in high-growth sectors, you want numbers that not only beat out simple bank interest, but absolutely smash it. We're talking about seeking double or even triple-digit ROI percentages, if possible, because that's what scales businesses fast. For project managers and anyone involved in changing how businesses work, understanding and optimizing ROI isn't just important, it's critical. Why? Because it allows you to prove with hard numbers that the projects you pick are not only viable, but they're the best possible use of the company's resources. It's about being ruthless in your efficiency, cutting losses on underperforming investments, and doubling down on what works. Project management uses ROI because it's the clearest indicator whether a project is a cash sink or a gold mine. It influences everything from funding decisions to strategic direction and operational adjustments. With a strong grasp on ROI, you're essentially equipped to make faster, smarter business decisions that propel growth and maximize efficiency. And in corporate environments, that's not optional, it's essential. Here are a few ways that project professionals are going to encounter, discuss, and leverage ROI in several critical areas. Project proposals. When proposing a new project, ROI isn't just helpful, it's your headline. It's what convinces upper management or investors that your project is worth the capital. You've got to show not only the vision, but the numbers that promise a strong payoff. There are some exceptions. Regulatory projects that must deliver a change that complies with the law, or projects that help to keep the company's lights on. But if the project is proposing growth or transformation, then it should have a high ROI to get decision makers interested. Budget meetings. When the budget's on the line, ROI is your best defense. You'll use ROI to justify continued funding for ongoing projects or to argue for reallocating funds from low ROI projects to those with higher returns. It's about strategic resource distribution, ensuring every dollar is placed where it can work the hardest. Stakeholder updates. Communicating with stakeholders isn't just about telling them what you've been doing lately, it's about sharing the numbers that matter. ROI figures are often at the core of these updates because they translate complex project outcomes into clear, value-driven results. Stakeholders want to see their investments are paying off, and showing a healthy ROI is proof of performance. The elevator pitch. You never know when you're going to be called into a meeting with the senior execs of the business and be asked to explain what you're doing. If you have a good ROI to hand, it gives them a simple reason why they should care about your success beyond most other criteria. In all of these scenarios, being adept with ROI isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about storytelling. You need to be able to articulate not just what the ROI is, but why it matters and how it aligns with the broader goals of the organization. As mentioned earlier, one of the biggest benefits of ROI is in determining whether a project is worth doing. But when that decision is being made, you still need to prioritize the project pipeline and be able to answer which of the many projects you have available should be the one to go next. This video here features one of the world's great experts in project prioritization, and what he has to share could save your company millions of dollars.